Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, I'm just going to do a little pocket dump real quick. I got to get on the road. I'm going to Mississippi. Can't wait to get out there and meet everyone. I've got my grills packed up, ready to go. R2D2 and OU812. Both of them are in the truck. They can't wait to get over there and compete with everybody. See who's going to have the best ribs and chicken. I cannot wait for Saturday. But I can't wait. Also, guys, today I'm going to be stopping at a few pawn shops on the way. That video should be out tomorrow. But again, this video ain't going to be very long. I've got to get on the road. I've still got a few things to add to the truck. But I just want to thank all y'all guys for tuning in. I really do. I just want to thank all y'all for the support as well. Anyway, let's get to the pocket dump real quick. Guys, this one right here is an old timer, and you remember that sheath, the old timer I just picked up, the old timer sheath I just picked up for 10 bucks. Well, that one is there's an empty sheath right here. Wonder how much you want for that sheath. Can I see that sheath here, sir? The empty sheath, that empty sheath right there. What do you want for it? I hope it's a Schrade. The empty sheath right here, right there. Yeah, you can tell. See, that's an old timer, and they got $10 on it. But see that one back there?
Yeah.
See how cheap that looks compared to that?
Yeah, I see that.
You know, that one's made in China. You can just tell. This one here is probably for a 6OT or LB. It's probably for a 6OT. $10 for this one. You can put that one back.
I do
No,
that.
I don't need that, sir.
I'd make it 8 if you just want it.
All right, and you want it? Yeah, I'd get it if I was you. All right, there's 5. He's just gonna take that like that one there. All right.
Let me get my tags
Okay.
off. Oh yeah, I keep taking your tags.
It fit like a glove on this little old timer here, but this one here is pre-1972. It is a Schrade Walden old timer. And it is a 25 OT. This was back when Schrade was Schrade Walden. Ain't that awesome? I'm taking that over there. I'm wearing that on my hip. Ain't nothing better than a good old vintage Schrade. And I'm telling you what, guys, it is sharp. There's some good old carbon steel here. But I absolutely love that knife. That's one of my favorite knives. It's a Schrade Walden. I'm gonna see if we can't get this zoomed in here real quick. See that right there? Schrade Walden. Hoorah. Very cool, ain't it? I love this knife. But I got it in that old timer sheath I picked up there for 10 bucks over in Vienna. But this other knife I'm fixing to show you is right dear to me. Mr. Aaron Williams from AW Custom Designs made this knife for me for my 1-year anniversary for my channel. It is a Bear & Sons. It was white bone, but you see what he done here. He jigged it out and dyed it and toasted it, but it is the 4-inch sheep foot Barlow. And he also put a shield in there. It is a 357 Magnum. Ain't that cool? But look at that thing. It's got half stop. Ain't that awesome? Let me show you to you up close. Check that out. Ain't that beautiful, guys? He does awesome work over there, y'all. Y'all need to check his channel out, AW Custom Designs. It's beautiful, ain't it? But I'm gonna go over there and show the guys his work up close. But look how he did that shield. He did that hole and put it in there. That came in white bone, but he jigged it out, toasted it, dyed it. Beautiful, ain't it? Beautiful. Ain't that awesome? I'm also carrying it in one of his slips too. Very cool, man. Another one I'm taking over there, guys. I'm taking several. I'm taking my German Swiss Army knife. It's made by Victorinox, but it's made for the German Army. It's just got an awesome saw. It's protected because it's razor sharp. Got a bottle opener right there. Then you got a razor sharp blade here, and you got a corkscrew. Then you got a punch blade here, right there. Ain't that awesome? Love that knife. And I'm also carrying, guys, a X's under and a brand new case slip. But it's missing the shield, but this is an X's under camp knife from Case. But it's got the can opener, flat tip screwdriver, the bottle opener, your main blade, and your punch blade. Ain't that cool? Knife's in excellent shape. And the last one, guys, is it's also in a AW custom design slip. You see his little bead right here. It's got a little bear on it right there. And it's a good reason why it does. It's nice and thick too. I really like that. I'm telling you, AW, or Aaron over at AW Custom Design, he does awesome work. But this right here, guys, is a Boy Scouts of America Bear MGC from the 90s. I paid 15 bucks for this knife from Sadie's Flea Market in Dothan, Alabama. But this is a very, very cool knife. I'm taking it out there to show Preacher and all them, but it's a 5-blade. See there? It's a 5-blade knife right there. Ain't that awesome? Oh, it closed. I'm glad it wasn't a blade. See there? It's 5 blades. It's got that little Phillips head screwdriver right there. I love it. But I'll show you it's like new, guys. I'll show you the tang here. Up close. See it right there. Bear MGC USA. I'm carrying that out there. See, it's got the Boy Scout shield. Pretty cool, ain't it? Hoorah. And that's the knives, guys, I'm carrying. I'm gonna be carrying a Zippo too. I'll probably be buying some knives out there at the trade show. I cannot wait to get out there and look at all the knives. And also, Preacher done bought a nice collection. Old vintage USA made case knives, like mint. And I can't wait to get out there and see those this afternoon. And also, Mr. Kevin Stubbs is gonna be cooking some fried chicken. They said they'll be eating around 4:30 or 5 o'clock, or 4 or 4:30, which is 5 or 5:30 my time. So I got plenty of time to get out there. I'm gonna try to hit a few pawn shops, see what I can find on the way out there. It's gonna be fun, guys. So much fun. And you should be seeing that video tomorrow. So it's gonna be awesome. But guys, don't forget also, we got an auction coming up October the 7th, 7 p.m. Eastern time on Whatnot. The link will be down below, so y'all check that out. Anyway, guys, when I see y'all again, I'll be out in Mississippi. I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.
Drive through towns, the whispers start, hey. Flea markets calling a treasure hunt today, hey, hey. With Antique Queen by his side, they search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his lady in the deals they jade. Down the lane where rust meets fate, he sees a spark and the forgotten ain't too late. A diamond in the rough, they say, till the knife doctor puffs the years away. Through the aisles and past the stands, his keen eye sweeps over the merchant's lands. Picks up a blade, its story untold. Edges dull, but the handle's gold. He squints his eyes, sees past the grime. Each knife he saves like stopping time. In every town, a tale of Jim. The hunt is on, no need to pretend.
Y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?